Hello everyone, it's 23rd April. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. And the first page, which is the world page, we have won't achieve goals by bullying. Iran says a US violation ceasefire. Then we have Nepal Home Minister Sudan Gurung resigns over financial dealings. Then we have Zelensky seeks trilateral talks. Kyiv opens to summit with Putin. Then we have for climate activists, laughter is emerging as a powerful weapon against despair. All these things are very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the big Bengali exclusive 34 lakh appeals, only 139 are cleared to vote today. Again, very important for politics and governance perspective. Then we have India-bound ship among 3 attacked by Iran in Hormuz. Then we have India may play a role in bringing peace. Can't rule it out, says Rajnath. Moving forward, we have Delhi High Court judge rescues from hearing plea against Kejriwal. Then we have capital to fast-track rollout of real-time pollution source studies. Again, very important for pollution perspective. Moving forward, we have Modi may travel to Europe in May for India Nordic Summit. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Moving forward, we have India Central Pool wheat procurement down by 16% amid sluggish pace in Madhya Pradesh. Again, very important for agriculture perspective. Then we have behind month of labour shortage in Kerala, polls in Bengal and Assam, SIR fears. Then we have anti-sacrilege bill passed, farmer on protest, atop BSNL tower for 560 days to climb down. Again, very important. Moving forward, we have the editorial page where we have in Trump's ceasefire extension, there could be off-ramps for both sides. Then we have track to transformation. Modernization is powering a safer, faster Indian railways. Then we have China can no longer be silent on West Asia war. Again, very important for international relations perspective. Then we have the explained page where we have at the heart of Roe, value of a vote, fiscal imbalance. Again, very important for politics and governance perspective. Then we have how the 2006 Malegaon blast case hit a wall. Again, very important for law perspective. Then we have Iran war, the fertilizer challenge India faces and the possible way out. Again, very important for agriculture perspective. Lastly, we have the economy page where we have war, rising global energy prices and El Nino may pose inflation risk. Again, very important. Then we have AI deflation based on IT sector. Nifty IT falls for 4%. Then we have how CERC plans to make one grid, one price a reality in power sector. All these are very important for economy perspective. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.